This is an introduction to AutoCAD drawing tools. First, there are a lot of drawing tools, and I'm going to go through the tools that are most commonly used due to time constraints, and it will take extra practice on your part to learn some of these other drawing tools. This right here is the ribbon. We have the Home tab current for this ribbon. On the Home ribbon we have the Draw panel, and this is the panel that we're going to focus on right here. So the first tool we're going to look at is the line tool. I'm going to left click the line icon to start that process. If you look down here, you'll notice that the command line says what to do next. So I'm going to pick a first point, and that's just clicking and releasing. You'll notice that I have the dynamic input on, which is telling me the length of the line that I'm drawing and the angle of the line that's being drawn. So I'm just going to pick and release a few points, just random points, and then I can object snap to the first point right there. The green box shows up and it puts me right on. That's basically drawing. If I want exact input, I can pick a point. If I know my angle that I'm drawing at, then I can put a value in, and I have a line drawn 10 inches long. This is a polyline. I'll show you the difference between a polyline and a line. I'm going to make something similar to the shape that's there before. Okay, so I have these two shapes here, and you'll notice that when I pick on this line, it picks just this line segment. So I can pick all these individual line segments of this shape. A polyline, if I select it, picks the entire thing. You'll notice the difference here that when I pick this line segment and I grab this endpoint, I can actually separate it away from the shape. But with the polyline, I pick this and the entire shape reshapes and the lines stretch. This is how the polyline works. Circle command, center radius circle. A center radius means you're drawing the circle from the center, and the radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge of the circle. And we can put exact values in for that as well. So that's a 1-inch radius circle, a 2-inch diameter circle. Then we have the diameter circle, where you're drawing the circle from the center but putting in a diameter value, not just a radius value. Then we have the 2-point circle. So I pick this point here and this point here, and it puts that circle in, just like that. I have the 3-point circle, where I can select 3 points and it will calculate a circle based on those 3 points. Tangent, tangent, radius. So I'll do tangent, tangent, and then I'll put a radius value in there. So it puts that circle tangent to those 2 points. And the tangent, tangent, tangent. So I'll do 3 points. I'll pick this line, and this line. I made the circle tangent to all 3 of those locations. And then we have these arcs. I'll just show you 2 of these arcs. So we have the 3-point arc. You pick 3 points and it puts the arc through those 3 points. I can do start, center, end. So here's my start, there's my center, and there's the end of my circle. You can see it being drawn. I can also put that exact angle for that arc as well. I'll come over to here. This is the rectangle, and that's just picking 2 points. You can put values in, like if I wanted to do a square, then I could go at 2, 2, and I'll make a square at 2 inches. I have the polygon, and I can pick the sides I want. A pentagon here, we'll circumscribe it around a circle, and then I have a pentagon shape there. This is the ellipse. The ellipse works like this. Pick my center, I pick my first radius, and I pick my second radius, and that's my ellipse. Then I have hatch, and I'll pick this hatch fill right here, and I'll select this area right here, and you can see that it's putting hatch in certain areas, and that's what hatch is. So it puts a pattern inside a closed shape. Then we have some more advanced draw tool things here. This is the construction line. So you have this infinite line that you can make use of. So you can put it horizontal, and then you can make use of that line for another location if I need to attach to that, know that I'm attached to it. So that's the construction line. Then this is the ray. So I can pick a point, and then it'll go from one point out that way, rather than infinitely both directions. And that is the basic functions of the drawing tools of AutoCAD.